Alright, what is going on YouTube? We are back in the GTI today, bringing you guys a new video. So if you go to the DCC, you just gotta click motor here, and then it's gonna bring up these options: Eco, Comfort, Normal, Sport, and then Custom. I have mine on Custom. Changed the shocks from Comfort, Normal, and Sport. And since the car is lowered on H&R Sport springs, drops the car around 1.3 inches all around. I find that Comfort is the best option. Basically, Comfort with the springs feels like when the car was in normal mode on stock suspension. So everything just goes up a notch. The car rides really nice with the H&R Sport springs. Obviously a little bit more stiff compared to the stock suspension. Definitely more confidence inspiring when you're going around corners. There's a little bit less body roll compared to the stock suspension. The car was a lot higher. That wheel gap was pretty bad. And when you're going around corners fast, you just really feel the car just doesn't want to turn in. And now it's a lot better. I would say they're definitely like a 9 out of 10. They are quality springs. They feel like stock. They just get rid of that wheel gap. You're definitely gonna have nice ride quality with them. Performance wise, it's a big improvement over stock with that big wheel gap and the turn in, which is terrible. But now the car is a lot more confidence inspiring. You can go around corners. I'm not saying they're coilovers here, but they definitely are a big improvement over stock. And at the price point for where the H&R Sport springs are at, I'd say it's a great bang for the buck mod. You just have to be careful for potholes and speed bumps. You got to go over them a lot slower than you used to. But other than that, guys, H&R Sport springs, they feel basically like stock, and that's a really good thing. Followed the journey on the car from day one, and all the little mods up to the big mods, and just kind of just progress, keep track of everything. One day this car is going to be pretty beastly, so just stay tuned for that, guys. But thanks a lot for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and go ahead and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.